Hey guys, we're going to learn how to define a large tilted star using WeScheme. So I'm going to show you what to do on my computer, and then you'll get the chance to try it on your tablet. So the first thing is we have to work up here in the definitions window because we're going to be writing some definitions. So remember, every time you write a definition, start with an open parenthesis and the word define in lowercase letters. And the very next word is what we're defining, what we're going to write a definition for. So let's first define the word prize, P-R-I-Z-E. And the thing that comes after prize is what prize is. In this case, prize is going to be a star, something that we're familiar with, size 50, in quotation marks, solid, and in quotation marks, yellow. And notice my spaces. We're going to close up one parenthesis to close up that star function here, and then a second parenthesis to close up that entire thing. So there's our first definition. We're defining the word prize. If we hit enter, we can make a new definition. Well, let's define a word big. So again, parenthesis, define big. And we want this word big to have something to do with this word prize up above. So we're going to make big a scale factor, making something bigger or smaller. So we're going to type in scale as our function. Let's make something 3 times bigger. So we'll type in a 3. And then what are we making bigger? We're making the prize bigger. So instead of retyping star 50 solid and yellow, we're just going to type in the word prize. Close parentheses for the first one, close parentheses for the second one. And we're going to do one more definition. Again, open parentheses, define in lowercase letters. Let's define a command called, or a word called tilt. And again, let's make tilt relate to big, and big relates to prize. So this one word tilt will eventually relate back to prize without us having to type in all this other stuff over here every time. And let's make tilt a rotation. So rotate. Let's rotate it 45 degrees. And what are we rotating 45 degrees? Oh, that's right. We're going to rotate the word big. And big makes the word prize get large. So hopefully we're going to get a star that's big and rotated at the end of the day here. So we're rotating big. Close that first set of parentheses. Close that second one. Now, in order to get these definitions to make sense to the computer, remember that we have to hit run. Run makes the computer read what's going on there. And now we can go to the interactions window down here and see if this worked. All we should have to do is type in the word tilt. And before I hit enter, let me drag this up here so we can really see what's going on. Okay. Look at that. We have a large yellow tilted star. Now let's say that we don't want this star to be yellow. We want this star to be green. Well, the information about the star is all the way back up here in the top, but since we've tied everything together, we only have to change this word yellow to green. And again, we need to hit run, because if we don't hit run, the computer's still going to think we're looking for a yellow star. So we'll hit run. Notice it erases everything down there. We have a new world with new definitions now. But now we type in this word tilt and hit enter. Now we have a large green rotated star. So your goal right now is going to be for you to try this on your own. Your exit ticket will be to show me that you are able to get your tablet to make a large green tilted star by defining these different values and then trying it down below in the interactions window.